Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the environment ready so the code runs predictably. Install Python 3.8 or newer and activate a virtual environment inside the project folder. This isolates dependencies. Next, inspect requirements. txd and run pip install R requirements. txd so libraries match. Once done, open the main game file and read the top imports to confirm packages. Make sure assets are in expected paths. Relative paths avoid path errors. Now you're ready to move into execution details. Now execute the middle steps that actually launch the game. Install any compiled dependencies first. For libraries needing build tools, ensure a C compiler or pre-built wheel is available. Then configure environment variables or End file the game expects and verify asset paths again. Run the script with Python main. Py or as a module with Python M and monitor the console for missing import errors. If performance lags, enable debug or profiler options to locate bottlenecks before finalizing. Finish by ensuring the game consistently runs and you can reproduce the launch. Save logs and use verbose or debug flags to capture runtime errors and stack traces. They tell you why a crash happened. If assets fail to load, confirm the working directory and whether paths are relative. Adjust code or launch scripts accordingly. For persistent dependency issues, delete the virtual environment, recreate it, and reinstall packages. One key tip: check the console output first. It usually reveals the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.